The moon has turned its dark on me, but I still beg to use his pale eyes, fetching the lost glimpses of desire. And even if you no longer care for my morning kisses on your thighs, and my moonlight caresses in the night, I still need to feel the thrumming harmony of you slipping inside my shields. How deeply you've plunged into the inner core of me, perfect fit, and yet a distant hologram of a lover held in my dreams alone. I'll never be fulfilled unless I forget your splendor. You shine like no other. Your bright was my ultimate high, and within all my incapable and impotent denial, I did try to rub away the golden fingerprints of you. But now I've come to despair that they will ever disappear.